I miss?
Dode here says Emily Kostic is dead.
Oh, yeah?
He says he knows who did it. He says he knows where the body is. He says he wants more money than I think the information is worth.
That's so dope. So, Walk, what's the info have to do with you anyways?
Plenty. Plenty, he says.
Uh-huh. He wants cash on the nail. This pot's called reform with more hop in his head than blood. I'll pay for dirt you can't believe.
No, you'll believe this.
Maybe you will.
No, you will. Because it's someone close to you. Real close.
Maybe it's hot, but it's Dode. You can't trust it.
Real close.
Getting my shoes wet for this? Let him milk you if you want.
Stay. It's still too much. No, it isn't. You won't complain when you hear it.
So maybe you should.
You had her up against the wall with the brick.
I know my business. Still too much.
No, it isn't, because that's not why she was killed. But it's real important to you, because the person who killed her is real close, because he's got a lot to lose. And he knows if I don't bury him by spilling to you, I spill to the bulls and I bury him for real. And he's really, really scared. She had a kid in her and he couldn't stand it!